What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, I'm over here at Raven because I haven't showed it much online yet, but I got rid of the 22s and I went to 17s. This thing also had a tire pressure monitoring system that always gave me a fault, so I went to americantrucks.com and bought new tire pressure monitoring sensors. Well, when you do that, you have to reprogram them, and apparently it's not as easy as just like clicking a button. So you have this Motorcraft part here. It's a little remote, and we're gonna see if we can figure out how to program these tire pressure monitoring sensors. And if you're wondering what part I'm using to reprogram those, this is the Ford Motorcraft part, TPMS 191X. So it's just like that. And again, it came with the kit that I ordered from American Truck with all the new sensors. So apparently it's like a special little dance, and you got to lift a leg and twirl around in a circle and all that stuff to get this done. So I got Jeffrey over here doing some research. We're gonna see if we can get it done on camera just to show you how to do it and take away some of the guesswork. All right, guys, so to show you how weird this is, he's gonna put the key in.
Don't turn it on. Press the brake one time. 1, 2, 3. Leave it on. Brake pedal one time. 1, 2, 3. We got off.
There's the horn.
There's the horn.
Now what, Jeffrey?
So now we get out, and it's telling you on the cluster, train left front tire.
Yep. All right. So that's your driver front, guys, if you don't know where that is. I'll hold the button. Boom.
Which tire now?
Now it's saying right front tire. So then you can go all the way to the back. Now you can go to the back. It's saying the back, I promise.
Yeah, but left or right?
This one, I promise.
Right.
Yep, I promise. So it's pretty cool that the car lets you know that it takes, yeah. I thought that was gonna be complicated.
Training complete.
Training complete. Nice. All right, guys, and just so you know, that is how you program brand new TPMS sensors. It is not how you program relearn sensors that you already had. I put in brand new sensors because I was always getting a fault. So, all right, perfect. That was easy peasy, Jeffrey. All right, guys, that is how you program brand new TPMS sensors in your 2010 to 2014 Ford F-150 Raptor, or probably the regular F-150 as well. So, as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.